If I could sit my 20-year-old self down for just a moment, here's what I would beg them to understand, because honestly, I wish someone told me earlier. Here's the first I learned the hard way. Nobody is coming to save you. This might sound harsh, but it's the truth. Nobody is coming to save you. Not your parents, not your church members, not even your rich uncle. The earlier you realize this, the better for you. Because your life, your growth, your responsibilities lies in your hands. The moment you realize this, you adjust. And this is where the shift begins. So instead of waiting, start moving. Start helping yourself. Start doing something that will help your life going forward. Then the second point that I know many of you can relate with is learn a skill that can make you money, because your jobs cannot be guaranteed. Back then, I used to think that having a job was enough. But as time went by, I realized that having a skill in today's world is very, very essential, because it not only helps you to be in demand, but it's something that nobody can take away from you. So please go and learn one today, and your future self will thank you. Then the third point will make or mar your growth. Surround yourself with people who talk about growth and not gossip. Have you realized that if you always surround yourself with people who gossip, complains, or have zero plans about their lives, it tends to become your reality. It slowly becomes your reality. But the moment you surround yourself with people who talk about ideas, opportunities, self-improvement, your mindset starts shifting. And that is where the change begins. So I am not trying to tell you to get rid of everybody in your circle, but choose your friends wisely. No wonder it is said, "Show me your friend and I will tell you who you are." So you're wise. Then the next point is a no-brainer. Take your finances seriously. We usually think that saving is only when we earn so much, but the truth is money doesn't wait, and small amount tends to gather over time. You see, this very one I understand perfectly. In this day and time, it becomes almost impracticable for one to save. With the way things are going up, inflation here and there, high cost of living and all that, saving becomes extremely impossible. But what I want you to take away here is, no matter how small, keep a very tiny fraction, very tiny. Just keep it if you can. It is essential you do it, because it will be like your backup when the chips are down. So no matter how small, take your finances seriously and keep small percentage whatever you earn. It's going to help. And lastly, learn to say no without feeling guilty. The 20s come with the pressure of wanting to say yes to everybody, from your friends, family members, co-workers, and even strangers, because you feel it's a nice and responsible thing to do. But most times, saying no in some cases doesn't mean you're selfish, but you're trying to set boundaries and prioritize yourself. So having said this, we've come to the end of today's video. If you're in your 20s or past 20s, always remember that there is a room for a fresh start. So if this video spoke to you today, I would like to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.